Alright guys, so I'm gonna play the live trade for you guys in a second because I started recording those, so it's gonna be in the beginning of the video, which you're about to see in like a couple minutes, and then after you watch that, I'm gonna break down the trade and what came with my biases and stuff like that. So yeah, here's the live trade. Right, 30, 60, 60 times 3 is 180, 6 times 4 is 240. Let's see. Not mad at this. Only 204. Got the change in the state. Still haven't rebalanced yet. Expecting this to be the rebalance. We'll see. It's a good close. I think this high won't get disrespected though. Holy shit, there we go. It's an SMT put in. I'm at break even, so I don't really care. But I want to see us continue. There's one. Not bad. So that's the soup, so don't know how much lower we will go, but I just think we have a lot of room to rebalance. Banger of a trade right there. Just gonna let this guy run. There's discount. Got a tight stop. I think we'll go to these lows though. Kind of just let this thing free fall. It's just free falling. Might as well just let the free fall, right? I'm just gonna keep trailing stop as we fall. What lows are these? There's a 30-minute, so I don't really expect us to fall much more, but we'll see. It's a free fall of fucking death right there. It's got to start to retrace eventually, right? Holy shit. There we go. Bang. Alright, so now I'm going to break down what my bias was for the day. I was extremely bullish on the day, and the reason for that was because of the model that we're forming. I'm still very, very, very bullish overall, and I think we will go way higher. Now, why is that? So, buying out of that new week opening gap, right? That was our original draw for yesterday, was that new week opening gap. We came out of it, and you see these nice rejection wicks that we're getting on the 4 hour, which is beautiful. So then now, you zoom in a little bit more. And then, sorry, I was checking my phone. And then we come down, we put in an SMT here, buy up. I wanted to see this inverse. We get the inverse. Originally, I wanted longs. I wanted longs to these highs right here and these external highs. But we bought straight up right away because this was a really clean market maker model internally. As you see, bang, bang, bang. I still think we go higher after that. But once we had such a big buy up like that, I knew we had to rebalance. So, because, what ways do the markets move? To hunt liquidity, to create liquidity, rebalance, and there's like a fourth one. What is it? Hunt liquidity, rebalance inefficiencies, generate liquidity, something like that. So I knew we had to go lower though, and I was kind of just waiting for like an internal model to go lower. So like externally I am bullish, but internally I am very bearish. And so looking at it, I waited. So right around here I'm waiting. I wanted to see an internal high get taken because I wanted to kind of just validate. And I also was aligning that with 10 a.m. and I knew we'd want to put in a higher wick and then put in a bottom wick. And that's also what we did. So now looking back at it, we come up, we take the high, we inverse this, right? So this 1 minute gets inverse, but there's also a 2 minute there. Really, really tiny, itty bitty 2 minute. Right? So I wanted to see this 2 minute get inversed first. So the 2 minute gets inversed while we also have a 1 minute change in the state, right? Huge displacement. CISD. So now I want to see this 2 minute get inversed. So the 2 minute gets inversed, and then we create this 1 minute. Right, so we have the 2 minute inversion, the 1 minute created. So we have multiple bearish things lining up on top of each other. So now what do I want to see? What I want to see now is a pullback to the discount of this area with my stop at the high, because I don't think we'll go to the high. And then I want to see a sell. So my first TP was this rebalance point right here, right? This is where I took off 2 cons because I was in for 3 cons for around 240. And then my second TP was just going to be discount of the range, but we started to sell off super heavy. As you see, we started to sell off super fast and heavy, instantly TP. So then my next TP is here, but we launched through it. So I think I get my last con, yeah. So that's where I get my 2 TPs. So I was just trailing my stop, seeing if we were just going to run. So overall, we hit these 2 trades, 2 cons for 70 points, which is like 150, so 300, and then 1 con for about that. Equals out to about 5 something. I took a couple break-even trades on these longs. I think we are going to go longer. I think we're just dying out right now. But that was the trade. Very, very happy with this trade overall. I think it is a very, very clean trade. I think the model is very clean. I think the external model is very clean. Aligning with what we need to do internally to align it with the external, I think is very good. I was very confident with this trade. Was I aware that I could stop out and we could just keep buying up? Yes. But I was okay with my initial risk in the trade. I changed my chart colors the other day, and I love these chart colors. But basically, this is going to be like day 2 of following. But yeah, so overall extremely bullish, and we'll see how we keep reacting. I think we're going to go way higher, but we will see. I mean, I caught my trade. We already took London low. No reason really to go lower overall. I think we might just keep buying up maybe, but for now, I mean, I'm done. I'll check out PM session maybe. I don't know. I'm happy with 1% on the day. Think we're looking really good overall. But yeah, that's the trade. And so I'm trying to talk for a minute because I think it's better when my videos are about like 10 minutes long. But overall, that is the trade recap. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. This is day 2 of following my rules. I kind of adjusted a little bit. So max 350 loss a day, and I was doing 1 trade a day, but I don't like that because I think I get into the point where like I take a loss and I think I don't know how to trade, but it's not that I don't know how to trade. It's just that you take losses sometimes. Like sometimes you are going to lose, and that is the reality of trading. So I'm trying to be more weary of that and be able to trust my conviction, my thing. And I also read my book about like having humility and confidence, or confidence and humility. And it's about like being confident to know you can achieve it, but being whatever the word is, humanitarianly enough to know that like your strategy might not be the best, or things like that might be the best, but you can still try. So I think that's what I am. I'm just trying to make sure I'm staying true because I just don't want to ever lose more than 350 a day. And if I can follow that, I think I will be good. And that is the case. But overall, that is the trade for the day. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Appreciate all the support. Thank you guys. Keep grinding. God bless.